Okay, here's the Hampton wall sconce with switch. So this is oil rub bronze finish. It's gonna go right up there. So let me go ahead and show you what's inside of here, and then we'll go ahead and install it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's got that bronze finish. You have that switcher you turn on and on. There's where the light's gonna go. There's the lamp, nice frosted. So let's go ahead and install it. Okay, so before you get started, make sure you have power off. I'm using this handy dandy little device. I will put a link for it in the description below. So let me just turn it on. And then just put it right up there. That's all you have to do, and it'll beep if there's any power. There's no power, so it's off. Okay, yeah, but double check that you have power off before you get started. I mean, yeah, just do it. Okay, so it's really straightforward. This is just white to white. That's your neutral. The black or the live that goes to the other black. This ground, I'm grounding it inside to the actual box. This is connected to the box through the screw, so that's also grounded. So now this is all done. I'm gonna go ahead and tape this up with electrical tape, white and black tape. So 1 second, and then, yeah. Okay, so after the electrical, you're just gonna put this back up and put these two nuts on there. Adjust the screw so you get the right depth on those. And that's it. So go ahead, take this piece off. So you can go ahead and put the, this going on there. Put that guy on there like that. And then just go ahead, slip this on there this way and tighten it up. Goes right in there. So hold on 1 sec. Okay, so there it is. I'm gonna go ahead and click it on so you guys can have a look. Well, not much of a look. Anyhow, it's nice, it's bright, does what it's supposed to. I think it looks good. The only thing I don't like is right here, you can kind of see the screw there, it's a tiny bit. So I would just add some Sharpie and then you can't see that. But other than that, I mean, I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, this is the, 1 second. The wall sconce with switch, oil rub bronze finish from Hampton Bay. So pretty nice. If you guys want this puppy, I'll go ahead and put a link. And yeah, thank you for watching, and good luck on your projects.